Money loves speed, which means when an idea comes to me, I almost instantly start acting to create it. Partly because the cosmos, if you will, is going to bless the first person that brings the idea to the marketplace. Usually, the first person to the marketplace is the first person to profit from the idea. But here's the other thing that most people don't think about. When an idea comes to me, I'm excited. I mean, I've been hit by lightning. I'm so excited. That's the kind of energy that pumps through me. I use that energy to create the idea. I use the momentum of the excitement that's coming through me for the idea to actually bring the idea into reality. And so Money Like Speed, even the book itself was written only in a couple of weeks because I got the idea for the book. I instantly said, oh, I'm going to do that. I started writing it because I had the enthusiasm and the energy, which I put into the writing of the book. And then this is online. It's already been a bestseller, the audio version, the ebook version, the paper version, and of course the Russian version soon, thanks to you. But Money loves speed. So people right now are sitting there and maybe they already had an idea. Maybe they've gotten an idea while they've been listening to us talk. Maybe an idea is going to come to them later. I want them to do something different when this idea comes. I want them, first of all, to write it down so they can see it and it's concrete and they won't forget it. And then the second thing, I want them to ask, what is the first thing I can do, even if it's a baby step, to make this idea come into reality? Because I want them to start moving in the direction of creating the idea in physical form. And then the third thing is keep the momentum going. You got the idea, you wrote down the idea, you took the baby steps for the idea, but take the next baby steps after those first ones so you can keep going to create the idea. Don't talk yourself out of it. Trust the process. The greatest time in history to come out with a new idea is right now. Right now. And so those are my tips that I would have people consider is be attuned to the ideas and act on them.